my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting because it's finally going to be a tutorial. You guys have been asking me like crazy to do more tutorials here on my channel, and here you are, I have delivered. This tutorial is actually in collaboration with a friend of mine, Lauren McQueen, over on YouTube as well as Instagram. I will link her information down below. You really need to check her out if you guys especially like color. Lauren has a very creative mind. She does a lot of very unique and almost editorial makeup looks. So we decided to come together and give each other a couple colors, and we chose blue and green and said, let's come up with a blue and green look. But if you guys would like to see how I got this lime green and like aqua teal blue halo eye, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start by using the shade Bear from the Morphe 39A Dare to Create eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this on a fluffy blending brush and just placing it into my crease as my transition shade. I've already done my foundation and powder as well as my eyebrows, so that way we don't have to spend all day doing this. So we're just going to blend that all over the eye pretty much. Next, we're going to be taking the Violet Voss Flamingo palette into the shade Oceanfront, and we're going to build this up into the crease just a tad bit lower than that original shade using a Collab blending brush. This shade is not as highly pigmented as I would like, so it did take a little bit of building, but it's absolutely doable. Next, we're going to be taking the shade Beach Ball out of the Flamingo palette as well, and this is going onto a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm starting to pack it onto the crease, and then as the product leaves my brush, I am doing the windshield wiper motions as well as a little bit of circular motions just to make sure that it blends well and we don't have any more harsh lines. Back into the 39A palette, we're going to be taking this deep navy called Indigo, and we're going to be using a e.l.f. crease brush to focus this into the very outer corner of the eye and make sure that we build up a little bit of depth in that outer corner. As you can see here, I am stamping first and then blending after, and it just gives me a better transition. Also, I'm going to be taking this onto the inner corner of the eye to give us that halo effect that we are going for. And as always, we're going back in with that original brush with the shade Oceanfront and just blending out any of those harsh lines. We all know how we do here, no harsh lines on my channel. Next, we're taking Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette and going into the shade Vanity, which is like a deep purpley brown. And I'm using a small Morphe blending brush. I don't know the exact number of it right now, I apologize, but it is going to be focused on the very outer and inner corners to really give a lot of shadowing and depth and really make the center of our eye pop. And same exact process where we go back with another brush. This one happens to be the e.l.f. crease brush with that indigo shade and blending out any of those harsh lines. Now we're popping into Juvia's Place Zulu palette and taking this middle bright green shade on a MAC shader brush. Spritzing my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus and then patting it onto the center of the lid. I love this green color, you guys. It is so beautiful. I really want to take my time here to make sure that the color is even and pigmented, and then also I want to make sure that it is blending into that deeper blue on the corners really seamlessly. We don't want anything too stark here. Taking my e.l.f. crease brush and going back into one of the former shades, just softening that edge to make sure that everything is cohesive. And back in with Oceanfront to blend out all of it to, once again, bring together everything and get rid of all those harsh lines. Now we're taking a Ulta Maximum Lash Mascara and just darkening the lashes in preparation for falsies. I'm using the Salon Perfect 615 lashes. Oh, that was cute. That was real cute. Popping some mascara on the lower lash line as well. Now into bronzer. We're going to be taking this very expensive Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic whatever bronzer. I'm so bad at voiceovers, you guys. And we're just gonna contour up the cheeks a little bit. Next, going into the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with a fluffier brush and just warming up the cheeks a little bit more. Next, we're taking the Makeup Revolution Matte Blush Powder in the shade Beloved, which is a pale, beautiful nude pink, and just sweeping that over the cheekbones. Popping into Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, we're taking the shade Marshmallow. And ooh, damn, just going to highlight the tops of the cheekbones to make us really glow. And the nose, and the bridge of the nose, because I mean, there's no such thing as too much highlight, right? There's no such thing as too much highlight. Yeah, I agree with you, girl. BH Festival palette, we are going to be taking this yellow shade here to put on our inner corners using a small detail brush just to give the eye look a little bit more pop. Not that it needs any more pop, but you know me. Then we're taking the shade Trixie from that exact same palette and highlighting the brow bone. Next, we're going to be taking this lip liner from Elizabeth Arden and lining our lips. Next, we're taking the NYX lipstick in the shade Dainty Daze. Okay, you guys, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the outcome, and I hope you guys do try to replicate it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram as well, and tag me in the photos that you do replicate of my look so I can follow along and see what you guys are coming up with. My Instagram, as well as all my other social media platforms, are always in my description box in every single video. So definitely don't forget to check out Lauren down below. Like I said, she is just so talented, so beautiful. And also, if you've come over here from Lauren's channel, welcome. It's so great to have you. I hope you decide to stick around and join our little family over here. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more from me. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye, guys.